Hello, Derbyshire Police Department. This is Paul Akers, author of 2 Second Lean. I know you're working with Ashley Bailey on building a lean culture over there in Great Britain. You know, lean is really all about continuous improvement, small little improvements, making life better so you can do life better. But you know, there's no better example in this than a Great Britain named David Bransfield, head of Team Sky, who has won now 4 Tour de France's. How did he do it? How did that team do it? By making small little improvements all the time to everything. And that's really what we really want you to do. Look at everything you're doing and ask yourself, how could I make that a little bit better so I can do life better? And the next key is, don't ever look at anyone else. Look at yourself, because you have all the waste in the world for 10 lifetimes. Don't worry about what anybody else is doing. Think about the processes that you're doing every day and ask yourself, how could I improve them? How could I make them better so you can do life better? Thanks a lot. Here's an example. This is our morning meeting area, and these are our gratefuls. Every morning, 6 people put 1 grateful in there. And these are the pads. This is a sample of how the pad's supposed to be put back in here. This is number 6, and then right on through to number 1. But somebody had removed this and set it right there because they were handing out the grateful pads. And I went to put it back, and I never noticed this before. And I said, well, where does this go? Does it go like that? And look at what someone did. They cut the corner out so you can't make a mistake. It goes back perfect every time. This is called poka-yoke. This is doing life better. This is making everything simple. Imagine if everything in the Derbyshire Police Department was this easy and this simple.